engineering flavor, building coffee features. Mr. Praveen Kumar is the mind behind What's Quality Industries, a company that builds complete coffee processing systems from start to finish. With a strong love for coffee and a solid engineering background, he leads a team that creates reliable, hygienic, and efficient solutions for coffee businesses.
What inspired you to start Coffee Machinery Unit?
My inspiration came from learning coffee industry where in India we don't have complete solution providers. So there is a lot of scope for manufacturing and supplying end-to-end solutions from bean to powder.
Yes.
That inspired me to start producing coffee, coffee processing unit.
What were the biggest challenges that you faced in the early days of setting up the unit?
Initially, we had a problem in designing the equipments which are more economical, robust, and efficient. So afterwards, we designed many machinery which are more economical and producing good end-to-end solutions for coffee industry.
How did you decide your location and sourcing strategy?
We are based in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is a place where we have quality engineers, good fabricators, and quality raw material suppliers. That is the reason we have located in Hyderabad. Sourcing strategy, we take good quality raw material from authorized dealers, so where we don't compromise on quality of the materials. Hyderabad have very good quality raw material suppliers, and from where we purchase all the required raw materials.
What factors guide you when selecting different machineries for different setups?
We access production capacity, coffee profile, space constraints, then level of automation, future scalability.
Little bit you want to explain what is space constraint or future scalability?
Like for example, some clients in production, suppose we take what is the capacity you want, like somebody wants 5 tons per hour capacity per day, some want 10 tons per day capacity. Because they will be having a budget constraints or they want to, that is the marketing, they are first planning initial,
Yes.
they are planning like that. So next comes the space constraint. Coffee profile, that is more important. Coffee profile means what type of roast they require. A medium roast or high roast.
Yeah.
It depends upon the taste of the what they require. Third one is land constraints, space constraints.
Yes.
Some clients will be having space constraints. For example, they want to come to build in 4 acres land, 3 acres land, particular space they have. So they have to build up in that place only.
Okay.
The plan. So the layout is very important factor in designing the designing the plant actually.
Okay.
That is one main constraint. Then level of automation. Level of automation is where what type of automation you require. Fully automation plant,
Okay.
semi-automation, or manually operated.
Okay. So these
So
are three
these are the
types.
3 types which are more important.
So like people are preferring which one more these days?
These days all are fully automated and
Yes.
customers are requiring basically because they want due to more production and less breakdowns.
Yes.
So all and less labor. So all clients are asking to give a fully automation plan. And future scalability is one. When you design a plant, you have to keep it in mind. In future, you want to add any other machinery to scale up their production in future.
Yes.
So there you that thing when you're designing the plant, that thing you have to keep in your mind.
What key qualities do you look for in a coffee machine before approving it?
We ensure that the machines are tight tolerances. We provide all food grade materials and We ensure all the machines are tested in our factory before delivery.
How important is sustainability in your chain and how do you maintain it?
Sustainability is central for our design philosophy. Our plants are designed for minimal energy wastage with energy efficient motors. We also design in clean in place, which reduces water and chemical wastage in cleaning.
What technologies or machinery play the biggest role in ensuring the quality?
Precision roasters, extraction systems, drying machinery, and CFA system. These are the key technologies which are used in building up a unit.
How do you maintain consistency with different projects with different vendors?
We ensure strict standard operating procedures has been followed by our suppliers
Okay.
and our team.
Yes.
So each and every machinery is validated before supplying to the clients and thoroughly tested.
This is wonderful, sir. What factors during production influence the taste of coffee?
Roasting temperature, drum speed, bean residence time, post roast cooling rate,
Okay.
and cleaning and maintenance.
What is your long-term vision for your brand and the coffee industry?
My long-term vision is to make Quality Industries a international brand for manufacturing instant coffee. Also includes providing fully automated plants with world-class facility
Okay.
to worldwide customers.
So what about the prices also? You will keep it affordable only or how it's?
My vision is also to provide most economical equipment and give value for their money.
Yes. What are your targeted areas of marketing and why?
Our areas of marketing is countries like Vietnam, Europe countries
Okay.
like Belgium, Netherlands, Poland, France, Italy, and America. And South Africa is one area where there is good potential for coffee industry.
Yes.
These are the countries where you get value for equipment.
What makes your turnkey plants different from ready-made machines?
We provide end-to-end solutions like providing a set of equipment in the roasting section, that is grinders, roasters, destoners, elevators,
Okay.
that makes a roasting area. Then we integrate that roasting area to extraction plant. Extraction plant consists of columns, manifolds, storage tanks, pumps. Then from there, it is extraction is connected to evaporation. In evaporation, you have again storage tanks, you have columns, calendarias, pumps.
Yes.
That comes under evaporation section. Then from there, evaporation, it goes to drying system. In spray dryer. Spray dryer consists of blowers, gas burners, cyclone separators,
Okay.
and spray dryer. This includes a spray dryer division. So we provide end-to-end solutions supplying all these equipments and integrating with all PLC systems and automation systems.
What future technologies or innovations do you plan to integrate in your system?
The future plan is to make a freeze dryer in my company which is more economical and more efficient than existing suppliers. For example, I provide, like I spoke to earlier, it was a plant value is around 50 crores. Then the international market is 500 crores. If this freeze dryer is a new technology which is already existing in market, but in India nobody is manufacturing freeze dryers. In freeze dryer, for example, a freeze dryer project is costing somewhere around 470 crores. Only the freeze dryer area. Like in extraction, you have roasting section, extraction section, evaporation section, drying section. If freeze dryer is one where, for example, in a freeze dryer, you manufacture a coffee. The coffee per cup will be costing somewhere around 280 rupees to 500 rupees. But in a spray dryer, the coffee will be ranging from 50 rupees to 200.
There is huge difference.
So freeze dryer, you get a very good taste actually in freeze dryer. In spray dryer, you won't get that quality and taste actually. So that freeze dryer product is.
But it
more
is
than-
affordable, right? Like not all people can afford the freeze dryer.
It is already targeted for, I can tell, tier 3 customers. Tier 3 means somewhere where
Okay.
they require, like European countries, they take only freeze dryer coffee. In America, also few customers they take only like we tell in high class people, so they
Yes,
take
yes,
they
that
drink
thing-
they
they
drink
won't
only
like
that. They won't like 40
spray-
rupees, 50 rupees,
Yeah.
or 20
They
rupees
like
coffee.
expensive, like Starbucks.
So that is the area where you actually people. What is the difference between? There are different types of coffees actually. In a spray dryer, you get one taste coffee. In agglomeration, you have one coffee. In spray dryer, you have one coffee taste. So first one is cheapest is spray dryer.
Yes.
With what we all drink actually.
Okay.
That is spray dryer. After that, agglomeration. Agglomeration coffee is like a final product of spray dryer. Like you upgrade the quality from spray dryer to agglomeration. From spray dryer you take freeze dryer. Freeze drying is you
Like
manufacture, for
High
example.
class, that is.
Freeze dryer in a spray dryer, the temperatures will be around 180 to 220 degrees centigrade. You roast the bean to that level. Actually, what you basic coffee extraction process is you get a bean. So, a bean, what you do in your ordinary home, you roast in a kadai, something you put
Pan.
basically pan. You roast
Yeah.
it. So to a certain temperature. Then what you do is you put it in a mixie. You get different sizes of coffee. It breaks. From there you take it to extraction. Like you put it in a cooker. Then cook it.
So this and all you should say, right?
Like cook it. You cook that one to certain temperature. Like you use a temperature of around 220 degrees. You cook that one. In your house, what will happen? You are cooking a rice. So rice, when it gets boiled, if it attains certain temperature only, it gets boiled.
Critical temperature.
And time.
Yes.
In columns also, in extraction, you go on rotating the coffee with water.
Yes.
5 to 6 times, like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, you keep on, like big columns will be there. You top and bottom, you pump it up. So what will happen? Everything in the coffee bean, you will get that what you call that rasam util, that you remove that completely. You completely remove juice in that one, and you get the extra waste material and coffee which is there in liquid form. It will go into evaporation section.
Okay.
In evaporation section, the concentration of coffee in extraction will be around 9.5%. Means real coffee plus water will be there. From there, you take it into evaporation. You scale the concentration. You remove excess water. You remove excess water in that one. So make it to 50 degrees concentration. So 50% concentration of coffee.
Okay.
From there, 50% concentration, you bring it to spray dryer. Drying. Then drying, what will do? It will remove all the moisture in the coffee
Yes.
and make it into powder. That is the basic procedure for the coffee.
I'll try, sir. At home.
This is basically how we are manufacturing coffee. Means green coffee will be coming from fields,
Yes.
like plantation. You bring that one. Sometimes what will it, when it comes green coffee, you will have stones.
Yes.
Stones, mud will mix. So you wash it up to remove the stones. That is one plant is there. That destoner, that we call as a destoner. So destoner is to remove the stones in the material. Suppose if
Unwanted
the coffee,
particles.
if coffee is fallen down in ground, you pick it up. So sometimes when you are picking manually, some stones will be missing.
Yes.
So that has to be removed. So that we call as first thing is washing, destoning. After destoning, again you are going into roast. First thing is you have to cook that bean. make it green coffee into dry coffee, that beans actually. So the weight of the green coffee will be, when we roast that green coffee, suppose you take 2 kgs of green coffee, it becomes 1 kg.
Yes.
So there you lose the
So
butter.
much unwanted particles will be there, that phenol will be removed.
Go.
In the process, it will become lesser.
Less.
Yes.
Then from there it goes to extraction. So extraction you mix with water with high temperature, then cook that bean. In roasting you don't cook, you fry only. What is the difference between roasting and extraction is, roasting is to grind. There the real coffee taste will be decided at the roasting level only.
Correct.
Real coffee level will be decided at the roasting level. So you want a flavor of one taste. So you cook it to one temperature, you get that. That is what you discuss one question. It is that what is the resident time? That is there. That is
Coffee
resident how much
residence
time you are keeping in the roasting machine.
Oh, okay.
From there it goes to extraction. In extraction there is nothing procedure. You just cook with water to some time, then remove the coffee liquid from the, and you remove this one will be there waste. This one will be the spent, we call as technical name spent. That spent will be collected and taken off. And virginal liquid we will take from there, which will be around 9% of coffee in that water. Suppose you have a 1 liter of water, in that 90 ml will be
Coffee.
remaining 9-10 ml will be water.
Okay.
From there you pick up into this its evaporation. In evaporation we make this 9% coffee to 50% coffee concentration. So 50% concentration you make it, from there you pump it to spray dryer. In spray dryer completely dry it to powder.
Yes.
That is the cycle of coffee manufacture.
Can you please walk us through the complete workflow of Quality Industries?
Yeah, we start, once the order is finalized, we design the equipment as per the client requirement. We send for approvals to client. Once the approval has been done, we send that to designing section again for rechecking. Then after that it goes into production. In production it goes under rigorous quality checks while manufacturing. From there it goes into final inspection and testing. Then afterwards it goes for packing and dispatch.
Sir, it was very nice to know that you are doing the work in this way, and people are really looking forward for this, and thank you for the information.